How to fix error code upplay R164.DLL was not found. Now this is pretty quick to be fixed. All you have to do is to double check on your current antivirus if you have one, or just simply turn off your Windows Defender firewall. So to turn it off, just go into your Windows icon, type firewall, and then just simply choose on Windows Defender Firewall. Now this is going to be the very first troubleshooting step that you can do at first. If it's not going to be working on you, then you can proceed on the next one after this. So once you open up Windows Defender Firewall, just go into turn Windows Defender Firewall on and off and have two of these options turned off. Hit on OK and try to relaunch the game that you would like to play again. If it didn't work, then all you have to do is go back into your Windows icon. Now, this troubleshooting step is going to be requiring you if you have an active antivirus running on your operating system. To do so, just simply type in virus and threat protection, which is going to be this one. Now, I wouldn't be able to open this up because I do not have any antivirus installed on my computer. Now, once you access it, all you have to do from there is just go into protection history, threat quarantine, and then go into actions and choose on restore. Once you've restored it, simply relaunch the game again. And those are the basic troubleshooting steps for you to be able to fix error code R164.DLL was not found.